Hey everyone, day 13 on the Print Goblins 3D print farm, and it has been an eventful day dealing with a new kind of filament. Not a fan of it. It just has clogged every single thing it's touched, and I've been playing with all sorts of settings. Whatever, we have power, we're gonna be moving stuff in soon, and I've got Boogie Bots. Oh, so many Boogie Bots. Oh, the Boogie Bots. So I'm going to be getting to those later today. In the meantime, enjoy this little compilation I put together of my printers failing and how I found correlations in the animal kingdom that display my frustration.